Babe, I just coughed up fucking blood.
No, you didn't.
What up, guys? So today's video is kind of crazy, but I'm kind of excited. I'm a little scared. I'm gonna be pranking Harley. I haven't pranked her. We haven't pranked done. We did like one pranking one, but that was a prank on you guys that we both did for you guys. This is gonna be a prank on her. Okay, she has no idea it's coming for sure. Let me tell you guys the idea. Okay. I've been sending her texts like the last hour or two, like, oh, you know, I'm not really feeling good, or haven't been really feeling good today. I think I ate something bad, or, you know, kind of warming her up to the idea. But she's at her mom's right now. She's gonna call me when she's on her way home. When she calls me, I'll act sick, kind of again, like with a low voice, and I'll film the whole thing. You guys will see it. Basically, I'm just gonna be not really telling her how I feel or what's wrong with me. I'm just gonna say like I don't feel good. I don't know what it is, you know, just to kind of get her warmed up to what I'm gonna do. So let me tell you guys, when she gets home and she comes in, I'm gonna get ketchup and I'm gonna put it on a like a rag and act. When she comes in, I'll kind of be leaned up or on the floor on like one knee, and I'm gonna like be coughing up blood and act like I'm coughing up blood. Now, I know this is gonna open up a door for a bunch of pranks that she's about to do on me, so I'm just hoping to get her good, and I know she does not expect it at all, so I'm just really excited right now. I'm gonna hide the camera, but I'm gonna be filming when she calls me, so you guys will see that. But I'm gonna hide the camera when she gets here, and I want to see how long I can hold off. I'm kind of nervous, but I feel like I can do it. I just got to get into the mode. Woosah. Woosah. So, should be in a little bit. She should be on her way pretty soon, and you guys will get the rest. I'll see you. Hello. You on the way?
No, I'll be there in 40 minutes. What doesn't feel good?
Like my chest.
Why don't you take a shower?
Actually, that's probably what I'll do. Go jump in.
Or make it like warm.
I really hope this freaking works. I think I did good right there. So I have ketchup packets. I have ketchup too, but I'm not gonna waste our ketchup on that. But I got some ketchup packets. That's what I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna hold up. Alright, so I'm gonna put these, like, I have this towel. I'm gonna put these ketchup packets all over it. And I'll put some maybe like on my face or something. Or my hand. And then I'm gonna be like, it's gonna work. She should be coming soon. If she does, I will get her good. I gotta take my shirt off because I gotta look like I've been chilling for a while. Oh my gosh, she's gonna freak out. Sorry, my hair's crazy. I'm gonna hide the camera right now. Just in case she comes. I wanna make sure I'm prepared. Okay, I think I found a spot. She's here.
Babe, I just coughed up fucking blood.
No, you didn't.
I swear to God.
You're stupid.
Babe, I'm not kidding. I'm fucking not kidding, babe. You're so hard to fucking do this shit with, babe. You
There's my forehead.
I can't,
There's a camera.
it's so hard. It's so hard.
Ah, babe.
It's so
I'm
hard.
just gonna play a
I can't do it. It's too funny. Oh.
It literally smells like ketchup in here.
I knew it did. That's why I stopped pranking. I was like, okay, I can smell
where's
it.
the camera at?
I was like, I can smell it. Jeez.
Where's the camera? You're good. Where's the camera?
You didn't believe it a little bit?
No, because right when I came in, it smells like ketchup.
Oh my god. I
Where's
can't
the
do it.
camera?
I can't
You're
do it.
stupid.
I was prepping it so hard. I've been doing the last hour. I just been getting ready,
He
and
said, I
then
don't feel good.
and then the last moment comes, and then gosh, babe, babe.
Ketchup.
Oh
You should
man.
have sprayed some perfume in here.
I was thinking about it. Then you're gonna smell the perfume.
That's better than smelling ketchup.
Oh my god, you're
I feel so
stupid.
bad. I love you.
That was a whole hour of preparation just for 30 seconds of fucking terrible acting job. I had ketchup in my mouth. That was disgusting. Alright guys, well,
Oh, babe.
I don't think I'm ever gonna be able to prank you.
Oh, what the heck?
Man.
Even stinks wasn't food. So your stomach doesn't hurt, your head doesn't hurt.
No, I'm good. I feel perfectly fine. That was all about preparation. I was warming you up. Pranked. Got her good. Got her good. Got her good.
It was just
I feel like people on the camera or watching this is gonna say, why didn't you just like, I feel like I should have just kept it going. But I couldn't help but laugh.
It literally smelled like ketchup.
I know, right when you... I'm sorry guys, I'm so sorry. I tried to prank her. I'm gonna get you, don't worry.